The Canon EOS R6 Mark II RF24 105mm f4L is USM KIT, is a hybrid full-frame camera that offers the flexibility to capture high-quality images and videos, making it suitable for both personal and professional use. The camera is equipped with a new 24.2 megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor that ensures high image quality. The DIGIC X Image Processor allows an ISO range of 100 to 12400, which can be expanded to 2048,000, making it possible to capture clear photos even in low-light conditions. It provides high-speed continuous shooting of up to 12 frames per second with a mechanical shutter and up to 40 frames per second with an electronic silent shutter, along with raw burst mode and pre-shooting captures up to approximately 30 frames per second. The camera features dual-pixel CMOS AF2, which covers up to 100% area with 1,053 autofocus zones and automatic subject detection of people, animals, and vehicles using deep learning technology. The RF24 to 105mm f4L IS USM lens that comes with the kit is an all-around performer, ideal for shooting landscapes, portraits, and travel photography.